Actually, got in here by a scholarship called the YES program, and then I've been hosted by a wonderful family called the Petersons. I'll be the youngest member in my family to go to the United States, and that's something big in my family. I'm from Mozambique, Nampula. It was a lot of pressure in the beginning, but because my dad was just, you go there, you do your thing. My dad told me always dream with the feet on the ground. People in here are everybody's willing to help you some way or somehow. I played soccer since I was a kid, and to be honest, when I came in here first, I thought I would be the best one in soccer, but it didn't happen. But I still got first team all city, and that was good. Football, it was my first contact with football in my life in here. I never played football or never touched a football ball. We do not have football in my country. I played basketball and wrestling in the same season. So that kind of got hard, but I actually managed to do it. My dad told me just do your thing. Just really do it. Today I'll do my best. I always do my best. I'll try my best. I'll try to break my record of 4x8, 800s. That is 2.15 minutes. I'll try to break that one today, and it'll be fun. I have friends in probably almost every TPS. So it's been very, very fun and cool. So the teachers and everybody seems fine, and they're all just sympathetic and nice to me and kind. And I've been doing that. So TPS schools, they are very fun.